Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a beautiful sunset tree painting very easily. For this artwork I use blue, cyan, purple, yellow, orange, green and brown colors. First, I'll blend the sky using blue at the top, cyan, purple, yellow and orange for the sunset effect. Next, I use green to make the grass area. For the tree, I painted the trunk with dark brown and created the leaves by dabbing light green. Finally, I added a few bars to complete the painting. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.